Good morning students. In the previous classes we have started to solve the examples. So the next example we have is x square plus 3x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square. So resolve this into partial fractions. This is the question given. So here this is clearly a proper fraction where the degree of numerator is 2 and the degree of denominator is 3, because 2x, if you expand this x square, so x square into 2x is 2x cube. So the degree of x in the denominator is 3. So here 2x plus 3. So in g of x in the denominator, 2x plus 3 is a non-repeated linear factor and x plus 3 is a repeated linear factor. Therefore we can say that this is the combination of type 1 and type 2. So x square plus 3x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square is equals to, for every linear factor of ax plus b of the denominator g of x, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by ax plus b. So in this way we will get a by 2x plus 3. So this is the repeated. So type 2, b by x plus 3 plus c by x plus 3 whole square. This is equals to LCM is 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square. So 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square by 2x plus 3. These two gets cancelled. We are left with a into x plus 3 whole square plus b into this by this. X plus 3 whole square by x plus 3 gets cancelled for once, and we are left with b into 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 plus c into, these two gets cancelled. We are left with the c into 2x plus 3. So this is equals to x square plus 3x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square. So these two on both the sides gets cancelled. So here x plus 3 is a linear factor equated to 0, x equals to minus 3 we can use. And similarly 2x plus 3 is a factor equated to 0, x equals to minus 3 by 2. So x equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 3 by 2 are the two values that are going to be substituted for the value of x throughout the equation to obtain any two of the values of a, b and c. The remaining value we will be getting, the remaining constant we will be getting through the comparison of the quotient on both the sides. So here put x is equals to minus 3, substitute minus 3 whole square 9. So 3 into minus 3, 9 plus 15 is equals to, this on substitution gives 0, this on substitution gives 0, minus 3 plus 3 is 0 into something 0. So c into the last one is 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 3, so minus 9. So these two gets cancelled. 15 is equals to minus 3c. Therefore c is equals to 15 by minus 3 is minus 5. This is wrongly written. This is not 3x, 13x. So this is equals to 13x. Now 2x plus 3 is a factor, x equals to minus 3 by 2. So put x is equals to minus 3 by 2, we will substitute. So this is 3 by 2 whole square 9 by 4 plus 13 into the value of x is minus 3 by 2 plus 15 is equals to So this and this gets cancelled. We are left with the first term itself. A into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 whole square. This is equals to LCM is 4. So 4 by 4 9 minus plus into minus minus 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 13s 26 26 3s minus 78 plus 4 15s 60 is equals to A into 2 3s are 6 6 minus 3 3 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. This is equals to 60 plus 9 69 69 minus 78 is minus 9 by 4 is equals to 9A by 4. 9 9 gets cancelled, 4 4 gets cancelled, A value is minus 1. Now comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So here the quotient of x square is 1. Here on expansion x square plus 6x plus 9. So the quotient of x square is A plus. Now this is 2x into x 2x square. So the remaining terms are the x and constants. So 2x into x 2x square. X square quotient is 2b. So from this 1 is equals to the value of A is minus 1 plus 2b. So 2 is equals to 2b. Therefore b is equals to 1. Therefore the final partial fractions for this is A value is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus b value is 1 by x plus 3 plus c value is equals to minus 5. So this is minus 5 by x plus 3 whole square. Resolve 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. So the denominator contains repeated linear factor and non-repeated linear factor. Here repeated linear factor repeated twice. So the constants are going to be A, B, and for this C. So A by x minus 1 plus B by x minus 1 whole square plus C by x minus 2. So this is equals to 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equals to, here the LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. So this by x minus 1 cancel for once, so x minus 1 into x minus 2 into A. So A into x minus 1 x minus 2 plus this by this, these two gets cancelled, so B into x minus 2 plus C into, these two gets cancelled, C into x minus 1 whole square. So the denominator of both the sides gets cancelled. So 1 is equals to A into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus B into x minus 2 plus C into x minus 1 whole square. So here x minus 1 is a factor, x equals to 1 is the root, x minus 2 is the factor, x equals to 2 is the root. So x is equals to 1 and 2 are going to be substituted in the for x throughout the entire equation. So put x is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to 1 on substituting here, it will be 0, and the last term is also going to be 0 because 1 minus 1 whole square is 0 square into C is 0. So we are left with the middle term. X value is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. From this B is equals to minus 1. Now put x is equals to 2. Substitute. 1 is equals to, here 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we are left with the last term. C into 2 minus 1 whole square is 1 square. So from this C is equals to 1. Now, so now all that we need to do is a comparing, because the two factors we have used here, comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. Here we don't have any x square here in the LHS, 0. So here if you expand this, x square minus 3x plus 2. So x square quotient is a. And here also x square minus 2x plus 1, a minus b whole square. So x square quotient is c. So a plus c equals to 0. So from this, a is equals to minus c. So a is equals to minus c is minus 1. So a equals to minus 1. Therefore, 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equals to, the value of a is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b value is minus 1. So minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus the value of c is 1 by x minus 2. The next one is 3x minus 18 by x cube into x plus 3. So the denominator contains x cube, repeated linear factor, because x cube can be written as 1x plus 0. So this is the form ax plus b, repeated thrice. So a by x, b by x square, c by x cube, and here d by x plus 3. So this is a non-repeated linear factor type 1, repeated linear factor type 2. So this is equals to a by x, b by x square, c by x cube, d by x plus 3. So 3x minus 18 is equals to, so the LCM is x cube into x plus 3. The LCM is x cube into x plus 3. So x cube by x is x square into a into x plus 3. So ax square into x plus 3 plus x cube x plus 3 by x square. So x times into x plus 3 into b. So bx into x plus 3 plus c into x cube into x plus 3 by x cube. X cube gets cancelled. C into x plus 3 plus d into, these two gets cancelled. So d into x cube dx cube. So these two gets cancelled on both the sides. So 3x minus 18 is equals to ax square into x plus 3 plus bx into x plus 3 plus c into x plus 3 plus dx cube. Here we can substitute 0 for x and minus 3 for x in the equation. Put x equals to 0. 3 into 0, 0, minus 18. So here 0 square, here 0, and the last one will become 0. So we are left with the third term, c term, c into 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 minus 6 are 18. So therefore c is equals to minus 6. Now put x is equals to minus 3, substitute. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 18 minus 27 is equals to minus 3 on substituting here it will be 0. This will be 0 and this will be 0. Last term d into minus 3 whole cube is minus 27. So minus 27 on both the sides gets cancelled. We are left with d is equals to 1. Now the comparing coefficient of x cube on both sides. So otherwise x square on both sides. So we don't have any x square term on the LHS, it will be 0. So here x square into x cube, and x square into 3x square into a, so 3a plus here bx into x, bx square quotient is b plus, that's it. So we get 3a plus b, but unfortunately we did not get any values for a or b. So you keep it apart and comparing coefficient of x cube on both sides. Let us see this. So the quotient of x cube on LHS is 0 because we don't have any x cube term here. So x square into x cube quotient is a. So here x square and x quotients are there. Here x and constants are there. X cube quotient is b last term. So a plus d. From this, a plus d equals to 0. From this, a is equals to minus d. So a is equals to minus, d value is 1. So a is equals to minus 1 we get here. From this, since we got a value, substitute here. 0 is equals to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus b. From this, b is equals to 3. So we get all values a, b, c and d. Therefore, 3x minus 18 by x cube into x plus 3 is equals to, the value of a is minus 1 by x plus bx square, b by x square, 3 by x square, b value is 3, and the value of c is minus 6 by x cube plus d value is 1 by x plus 3. So this is the partial fractions for the given proper fraction. The next question is x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2 whole square. So the denominator contains non-repeated linear factor and repeated linear factor repeated twice. So this is whole power 1, this is whole power 2, 1 plus 2, 3 terms we are going to use for this. So a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 2 whole square. So this is equals to x minus 1 is equals to a into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 divided by these two gets cancelled, so we can write directly. So put x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 2 equals to, so a into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 whole square, 9. And remaining two terms will be 0 because x value minus 1, if you substitute here, this as well as this will be 0. So therefore a equals to minus 2 by 9. Put x is equals to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. So we are left with the last term c into x plus 1, 2 plus 1 which is 3. So c is equals to 1 by 3. Coefficient of x square on both sides. So we don't have any x square term here, so its quotient is 0. So x square quotient is a here, plus here x square we are getting, and the remaining terms will be x and a constant. So x into x square quotient is plus b. So a plus b equals to 0. From this b is equals to 2 by 9. Therefore, x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square is equals to, the value of a is minus 2 by 9 by x plus 1. So minus 2 by 9 into x plus 1 plus b value is 2 by 9 by x minus 2. 2 by 9 into x minus 2 plus the value of c is 1 by 3 by x minus 2 whole square. 1 by 3 into x minus 2 whole square. Now the next question is resolve 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 into partial fractions. So again this is a proper fraction with the degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 3. So degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. And we have to see whether we can express this into factors or not. Can it be decomposed or not? So this is 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 can be written as 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 x plus 1. Now here the denominator contains this x minus 1 is of the form ax plus b, which is a linear factor of this denominator. So this is a linear factor. For every non-repeated linear factor, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by ax plus b. So this, the partial fraction for this is a by x minus 1 plus. Now this is x square plus x plus 1. So this is not a linear factor, it is a quadratic factor. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So we need to see whether it is further decomposed or not. What I mean to say is it a reducible or not? So x square plus x plus 1, so its discriminant if you find, then b square minus 4ac. So b square, x quotient is b square is 1 square minus 4ac x 1. So 4 into 1 into 1. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3, which is less than 0. So if the discriminant is less than 0, then this is a irreducible quadratic factor. So for every irreducible quadratic factor of the denominator, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. Already a is introduced, therefore bx plus c by x square plus x plus 1. So this is equals to 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 is equals to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus b into x bx plus c into x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. These two gets cancelled on both the sides. Therefore 2x square plus 1 is equals to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Now, so x minus 1 is the only factor here for which equated to 0, x equals to 1 is the root, and root or solution has to satisfy the equation. So put x is equals to 1. So this is 2 into 1 square, 2 plus 1 is 3. So a into 1 square plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this will be 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So a is equals to 1 we get. Now comparing the coefficient of x square on both sides. So here quotient of x square in the numerator in the LHS is 2. Here x square quotient is a plus bx into x square quotient is b. So 2 is equals to, substitute a value here, so 1 plus b. So this is 2 minus 1 equals to b, or b is equals to 1. Now comparing the coefficient of x on both sides. So here x term is not present at the LHS, so 0. Ax square, a into x, x quotient is a. Bx into x, bx square, bx into minus 1 minus bx, x quotient is minus b, plus c into x, cx, x quotient is c. So this is equals to 0 equals to the value of a is 1 minus b value is 1 plus c. So from this c is equals to 0. Therefore 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 is equals to a value is x minus 1, a value is 1, so 1 by x minus 1 plus bx plus c, b value is 1, 1 into x, x plus 0, so x by x square plus x plus 1. The next question is resolve x cube plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x square plus 3. So here the denominator contains two quadratic factors. Which kind of quadratic factors? Reducible or irreducible? Irreducible quadratic factors, because b square minus 4ac. So b square here is x square quotient is a, x quotient is 0 and constant is 2. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 2. b square minus 4ac is 0 square minus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 is less than 0. Therefore this is a irreducible quadratic factor. So what does type 3 say? For every non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c of the denominator g of x, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. So according to this, there are two non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. So ax plus b by x square plus 2, cx plus d by x square plus 3. So this is equals to x cube plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x square plus 3 is equals to, the LCM is x square plus 2 into x square plus 3. So this is ax plus b into x square plus 3 plus cx plus d into x square plus 2. So the denominator on both the sides gets cancelled. So we cannot substitute something for the value for x because we don't have any linear factors. Now all that we need to do is comparing coefficients on both the sides. So comparing coefficients of x cube on both sides. So here x cube quotient is 1 in the LHS. Here ax into x square, x cube quotient is a plus cx into x square, x cube quotient is c. So a plus c is equals to 1. This is the one equation. Likewise, comparing coefficient of x square on both sides. Here x square quotient in the LHS is 1 is equals to ax into 3. So 3ax. B into x square, bx square. X square quotient is b plus cx into x square, cx cube. Cx into 2, 2cx. D into x square, dx square. X square quotient is d. This is another equation we get. Now comparing coefficient of x on both sides. So we don't have the x term here, therefore its quotient is 0. Here ax into 3, 3ax, so x quotient is 3a plus cx into 2, 2cx, So 2c x quotient is 2c. So this is 1, 2, 3. So solving 1 and 3 will get solving 1 and 3. So first equation, let us multiply with 2. So 2 is equals to 2a plus 2c and 0 is equals to 3a plus 2c. These are the two simultaneous linear equations in a and c. Now this is equals to minus minus minus. So these two gets cancelled. 2a minus 3a is minus a is equals to 2. From this a is equals to minus 2. So since we get the value of a, substitute this minus 2 in the first equation. Substituting a in the first equation, 1 is equals to a value is minus 2 plus c. So from this c is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3. Now the comparing constants on both sides. So the constant in the LHS is 1 is equals to b into 3 3b plus d into 2 2d. Let us suppose that this is the fourth equation. So solving 1 and 4. So 2 and 4. So I'll multiply second equation with 2. Then we'll get 2 ones are 2. 2b plus 2d. So this is equals to 1 is equals to 3b plus 2d. So minus 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 2 minus 1 1 equals to 2b minus 3b is minus b. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore b is equals to minus 1. Substituting b in the second equation. So this is equals to 1 is equals to b value is minus 1 plus d. So d is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore we got every value of the so we have got the values for the constants a, p and c and d. So substitute here. So ax plus b, a value is minus 2 into x minus 2x plus b value is minus 1. So minus 1 by x square plus 2 plus cx plus d. So c value is 3. So 3x plus d value is 2 by x square plus 3. Third question. Resolve 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So first of all let us see whether we can express this into factors or not. So x power 4 plus x square plus 1, this can be written as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, x square whole square x power 4 plus 2 into x square plus 2x square minus x square is x square plus b square is 1 square is 1. Same. So this is equals to, this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is x square plus 1 plus x. A plus b into a minus b. X square plus 1 minus x. So therefore x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equals to x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now this is 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by this x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now, the denominator contains two non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. So, we cannot express this into further factors. Since b square minus 4ac, so 1 minus 4, so this is minus 3. So, here also the same. So, since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, these two are irreducible quadratic factors. So, irreducible quadratic factor type 3, non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor. For every non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor or quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c of the denominator, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. So, according to this, ax plus b by x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1. So from this 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 is equals to ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square minus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. So, this is x power 4 plus x square plus 1 on both the sides gets cancelled. This is what we will get. Now, comparing the coefficients of x cube on both sides. So, here the quotient of x cube in the LHS is 3. So here ax into x square, x cube quotient is a plus cx into x square, x cube quotient is c. So let us consider this to be the first equation. Now comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So here x square quotient is minus 2 is equals to ax into x, ax square. So ax into x, ax square quotient is a, b into x square quotient is plus b. Here cx into x square, cx cube, but we are taking the quotient of x square, so leave it. Cx into x minus cx square, x square quotient is minus c plus c, next cx, so d into x square, cx into minus x and dx square, x square quotient is plus d. So this is the second equation. Again, x square quotient we are taking. So ax into x square, ax cube quotient we are not interested in. So ax into x square quotient is a. So next ax into 1, ax. So leave it. B into x square, bx square. So x square quotient is b. Likewise here cx into minus x minus c, d into x square plus d. Now comparing the coefficients of x on both sides. So here we don't have any x term, so x is equal to, so its quotient is 0. So here ax into 1 is ax, x quotient is a, b into x, bx, so x quotient is plus b, cx into 1, c, d into minus x minus d. So this is the third equation. And comparing constants on both sides. Constant on LHS is minus 1 is equals to here b into 1 b plus d into 1 d. So b plus d is equals to minus 1. Let us suppose that this is the fourth equation. Substituting b plus d equals to minus 1 in the second equation, then we'll get minus 2 is equals to a minus c. Here in the place of b plus d, I'll take it as minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 is equals to a minus c. So this is equals to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 equals to a minus c. Let us suppose that this is the fifth equation. The first equation is 3 equals to a plus c. Solving 1 and 5. So 1 is equals to a plus c equals to 3. So the fifth equation is a minus c equals to minus 1. So adding will get 2a equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. From this a is equals to 1. Now substituting a in the first equation, will get 3 is equals to, the value of a is 1 we will get right now, plus c. So from this c is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So a value and c value we got. Substituting a equals to 1, c equals to 2 in the second and third, then these two will be in terms of b and d. So solving the two simultaneous linear equations for b and d will get the values of b and d. So for this, substituting a comma c in the second and third equations, we get minus 2 is equals to a plus b minus c plus d. So from this minus 2 is equals to, the value of a is 1 plus b, c value is minus 2 plus d. So this is equals to minus 2 gets cancelled on both the sides. We get b plus d is equals to minus 1. So let us suppose that this is the sixth equation. Substituting a comma c in the third equation, will get 0 is equals to, the value of a is 1 plus b value which is unknown plus c is equals to 2. In the place of c substitute 2 minus d. So this is equals to b minus d. 1 plus 2 is 3. If you transpose on to this side, this is minus 3. This is seventh equation. Solving 6 and 7 will get b plus d is equals to minus 1, b minus d is equals to minus 3. So adding these two, 2b is equals to minus 4, b is equals to minus 2. So now substituting b in the seventh equation, will get minus 3 is equals to, b value is minus 2 minus d. So minus d if you transpose, this is d equals to minus 2, this minus 3 if you transpose, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Substituting a, b, c and d in the given question, 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 its partial fractions we have resolved it to be this. So the value of A is 1x plus B value is minus 2 by x square minus x plus 1 plus C x plus D. C value is 2 x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. So this is the required partial fractions.